on country roads.
As y'all can see here, I have added some more wood to the stove. You see, the hot dog is actually on top of the wood, but that's okay because you will have to clean off those ashes anyway. You see, it's just like cooking a steak on wood, caveman style. Sorry, it's a little bit wobbly. My hand ain't that steady right now. So, remember, this is my last hot dog I gotta do. I just added some more wood to the stove. As you can see, it's starting to smoke. Well, should I say it's smoking? Remember, when there's smoke, there's usually fire. So, it's going to take a bit, okay? It's going to take a minute. Give me a second here. I got to move the phone. Okay. You see there? I had to blow it to create some fire. Or should I say, to light it up some. See, it's actually smoking the hot dog, as you can see. You see? The hot dog is smoking. So, yeah. So, remember, when you're cooking hot dogs on wood, that's actually true caveman style, except for the hot dog part and the metal fork, of course. But when you're actually cooking meats on a fire, remember, wood is actually the best thing. Of course, as we all know, they didn't have a stove like this, or any kind of stove. They've had campfires. So, yeah. See, it's not to my liking on that side, but it's actually smoking. That's actually how caveman had to cook food. Some say use charcoal, but as we all know, they didn't have regular charcoal back then. They had wood, or whatever they could find. None of us really knows how cavemen actually created fire. Because, remember, none of us was really truly there. I'm actually trying to keep this stump from burning up at the same time. Some of that wood might fall out of the stove a bit because of how that stove is made, okay? We all know that. Now it's starting to roast to my liking. Remember, they had other kind of food, or should I say other kind of meats that people would hunt for, whatever they had to eat, okay? You see, it's actually cooking to my liking, as y'all can see. Doesn't take too long for hot dogs to cook, as y'all will know. Sorry about that, the hot dog got directly in the fire, but that's okay. I may have to clean that anyway, as I once said a while ago. So yeah, I am Cobra and you are not. This is something that I made up. It's called Caveman Hot Dogs. As you see right there, that's actually wood that I'm using. That's right, it's called wood that I'm using to fuel it. So, if you ever want to cook some meat and you can't afford anything else, but you want to cook outside on a stove, a wood-burning stove, I shall say, well, there you go. Here's an idea that you can use, or should I say an idea. So, remember, caveman hot dogs. You can use the wood to smoke your hot dogs as you are cooking it on a mini outside stove. I was trying to say sometimes I can't get words out. Well, shit. I may continue with this video, okay, when I do some editing. Cobra out. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Later, guys.